What's the meaning of Civvy Street? Civvy Street. Civvy Street.
Civvy Street. Civvy Street. Civvy Street is a term used to describe the civilian world, as opposed to military life. It originated during World War I when soldiers were discharged and returned to civilian life. The term suggests that life outside of the military is less structured and less disciplined than life within it. It can also imply a sense of disorientation or difficulty in adjusting to civilian life. Overall, Civvy Street refers to the transition from military service to civilian life and the challenges that come with it.